Hello everyone. I hope everything is fine. So very welcome to the next video lecture episode of Food and Beverage Service in second unit of your syllabus. Okay, as you know that myself Arvind Chauhan, Assistant Professor, BB University, Lucknow. So as starting from the previous topic, we are continuing. The next topic is arrangement of the buffet, and we will discuss one by one. All right. So let's start. So arrangement of the buffet, basically what kind of things we require for arranging a good buffet layout, right? So food station and a bar counter should act as a management and must be able to draw the attention of guests into the room. Okay, see the tips of follows. What are the tips we have to follow? See, bar, buffet and food stations should be placed strategically around the room. Bar, buffet, remember this point. Bar, buffet and food station should be placed strategically around the room. Avoid to be clustered in one area. So you have to avoid the cluster in a particular one section, one area. Buffet should never near to dance floor or a dance stage or a music. Why? Because there would unnecessary voice will come to the buffet counter, and once you start the DJ counter, the floor is continuously shaking, right? You can say the bubbling. So there would be more chances for disturbance in the buffet layout. Okay, that is the reason we never put buffet near the dance floor or stage or music. Okay, next point. What is next point? Next point कहता है buffet should never near allow sufficient space between station for movement of the guest. Allow sufficient space between station for movement of the guest. So what we have to do, we have to make the equal distance, equal space between the station so that guests can move here and there. So right, क्योंकि we have to give the maximum space so that the guests can walk here and there, and they can help themselves and enjoy the food. Next point is, अगला point है, dramatic buffet and food station create excitement, interest and intrigue. Avoid long table or state buffet. So हमें ये ध्यान रखना है buffet preparation के time कि एक साथ हम टेबल्स को मर्ज ना करें. हाँ, we cannot make a long queue, right? So we have to break in a certain time. Okay, arrange buffet and food station as close as possible the kitchen to reduce distance trouble during initial setup of replacement. Yes, this is very helpful. If you are putting the buffet counter near the kitchen area, that will be very helpful. You will minimize the guests, minimize the minimize the workforce, right? You can get the easily things done, right, while closing the buffet. Always try to have a small portion since guests prefer a small amount of many things. For example, starter, sweet items. Remember, guests take less food from a small container. The more attractive buffet, people eat less since they do not want to ruin its appearance. Yes, this is also the very important point. See, suppose you are going to take the food from the buffet counter, and you see the buffet is lavishly done, decoration, well lighting, well planned buffet, right? Food is also creating good appearance. So what you have to do, if the good garnish is placed over the food, you will not spoil the garnish, right? क्या होगा, आपका मन नहीं करेगा कि हम इसकी गार्निश ख़राब करें, हम साइड से खाना ले लेंगे ताकि उसकी गार्निश ख़राब ना हो. So the more attractive buffet, people sit eat less since they do not want to ruin its appearance. Okay. One food station sufficient to cater 100 guests. Yes, remember the point. So guests can enjoy food in one food station. ओके तो आपको क्या करना होगा, आप बुफे प्रिपरेशन जब करेंगे तो 100 गेस्ट के लिए एक बुफे प्रिपरेशन, राइट. वन बुफे मतलब क्या हो गया, वन बुफे मीन्स लाइक सी what is the fundamental of one buffet and two buffet and three buffet. Okay, one buffet means there will be a one vegetable item, there will be a one rice, one sweet dishes. So for the one station we need a single dishes as required. If on the same point, if we prepare a food for 200 guests, so we have to prepare a two station. So we have to double the dishes, right? So in number of dishes will automatically increase. So what happened? The number of dishes will automatically increase. Buffet longer than 16 feet should be 60 inches wide or use two table, and this will make the buffet wider. Okay. So the next step is, I hope you're getting it. Next is buffet configuration. What is buffet configuration? Okay, here you can find what are the different kind of layouts of the buffet. A, B, C, D, as the number denoted over here. There is a different structure, different layout of the buffet. Half moon, U-shape, straight, zigzag, circle, right? Full moon, so H-shape. So these are the structure of the buffet. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so as you can see here on your screen, there are different kind of layout, buffet layout over here. So first I am discussing H-shape buffet. So actually the H-shape buffet is a center, it is done on a center room, right? So first we have to know where it is done. It is done on the center room. Okay, this H-shape buffet design uses 16.60 ID serpentine table and 26 foot table and two 4 feet foot tables. The layout is 20 feet wide into 25 feet long. So H-shape layout is 20 feet wide and 25 feet long. Please leave 30-degree angle, 30 inches on each side for a walkway. These are the large reception. These are set up on the large reception parties. So you can see on the image, this is the H-shape image, H-shape bank buffet setup, where this is done on the center of the hall or center of the space, and you have to leave the space around the this setup, right? So the food is placed in such a manner the guest can take the one side towards the another side, right? So this is very also modern time buffet setup, H-shape. Next is the figure 8 buffet setup. Is also done on the center. So is the diagram is look like a 8, right? So you have to prepare the diagram look like a 8. Design a figure 8 shape buffet with 880 inches ID serpentine table. This design has 32 into 5 feet into 10 feet. So 32 into 5 by 10 feet. You may place a small table inside the open area of the figure 8 for decoration. Yes, you can place in a center on a small decorative table so that guests can the buffet will attract to all the guests, right? सो आपने क्या देखा, पहला क्या था, एच शेप बुफे, दूसरा फिगर 8 शेप बुफे। सो जैसे आप द वर्ड इज डिनोट एच शेप एंड 8 शेप। समझ में आ गया सर? These are the modern tools. Next is super center room, or you can say the oval room, oval shape. The super buffet setup to the right is great for very large wedding, right? The super buffet setup the right is great for very large wedding and buffet reception. It can be used as a double-sided buffet or a round trip. It uses 880 ID serpentine table and 48 food tables. So it's a super center room buffet. It is done on the room. You have to leave the area around the this kind of setup. Next is the side buffet. Side buffet means against the wall, by the walls. As you can see the image, wall is over here, then service angle, then the third buffet. The buffet illustrate to the right can be used parallel to the wall. It uses 2 serpentine table and 28 food tables. You can place the buffet 24 from the wall to leave an angle. Angle is the area where the guest can take the food from the buffet table for food replenishing, right? So you have to leave this area to refill the food. The hollow part of the circle can be used as a carving station and like so many things for the live station also. So hollow square you can see on the center. This is used to as a live station or the flambeing the days, right? Anything you can use. Because in the live station the people required lot of showmanship required on it. All right. So side buffet is very very important. Actually this is done in the nowadays function parties. Okay. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन में, राइट? ये होता है साइड बुफे जो कि वॉल के साइड में होता है। और जो एंजल स्पेस है, एंजल स्पेस क्या होता है? बेसिकली एंजल स्पेस हम छोड़ते हैं ताकि फूड को रिफिल कर सके, राइट? सो सर्विस स्टाफ क्या कर सकता है? सर्विस स्टाफ कैन वॉक ऑन दिस एरिया, इजंट इट सर? ओके, अगला देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज डबल साइडेड। ओके, डबल साइडेड दिस लेआउट यूजेस 4 serpentine table and 2 8 food tables. You can substitute the 4 serpentine table for 2 half round. As per your convenience, you can modify the setup as well, right? This is they use center as a live counter, right? So on center you can prepare a 2 table for the live counter. One could be a pasta station, one could be a soup station, one could be a dessert station, right? Also this would be a 2-floor station, right? This is the 2-floor service area. Next is the T-shaped buffet. T-shaped buffet, look at the shape of the buffet. 2-shaped buffet. The T-shaped buffet is very simple. It's 4 rectangular table in a shape of T. So you have to add a 4 rectangular table on shape of T. These can be used in center of the buffet and have 4 entry point, right? So the guests can take the food from the 4 ways because it have a 4 entry point. There is no convenience, there is no congestion for the this kind of tea setup, right? Guests can easily take the food. इसमें कोई किसी प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, राइट? कि आप यू कैन टेक द फूड इजीली। तो ये हो गया आपका टी शेप बुफे। डबल साइडेड बुफे क्या था? डबल साइडेड बुफे आपने क्या किया, 2 साइड टेबल लिया, 2 साइड टेबल को ओवल शेप में सेंटर में आपने 0 करके, आप मान लीजिए दिस इज 0, सो जीरो से मिलाते हुए आपने एक अपोजिट में राउंड टेबल, दूसरे उसके अपोजिट में राउंड टेबल सेट कर दिया. सो दिस इज लाइक अ डबल साइडेड बुफे स्टेशन. समझ में आ रहा है सर? ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. टी शेप समझ में आ गया है आपको. नेक्स्ट इज एक्स शेप बुफे. ओके, एक्स शेप बुफे क्या होता है? द डायग्राम टू द राइट क्रिएट ऑन एक्स शेप बुफे. You can use any sizes rectangular table you like as long as they are the same. So जैसा कि आप डायग्राम देख सकते हैं X shape buffet. So diagram is X shape buffet is similar to the T shape, but you have to tilt and create the word X. तो X shape buffet same like a T buffet. यहाँ पे भी चांसेस कम होते हैं फुटफॉल के, राइट. एक्सीडेंट के चांसेस कम होते हैं क्योंकि 4 वे सर्विंग हो गया. 4 चारों तरफ से आप फूड ले सकते हैं बुफे से. नेक्स्ट इज सिंपल एंड इजी. सिंपल एंड इजी इज स्ट्रेट बुफे. स्ट्रेट लाइन बुफे टू द राइट विल सेव द मोस्ट स्पेस एंड इट जस्ट टू रेक्टेंगुलर टेबल, राइट. जनरली दिस इज डन ऑन द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ होटल्स नाउअडेज, right. We have a less area required, so in a one corner we can just place a center buffet. This is also required for the sometime water, sometime dessert counter, if we do the separate buffet for the particular items. All right. Okay, so we were discussing about the designing of the buffet. The theme is set, allocate space in the garden, the issue or the other space provided. Depending on the function, there must be space for bar, a dance floor, a stage and a podium and equipment. The number of diners is critical. As a rule, a single sided buffet can comfortably sense 15-75 people. Excuse me. Right? सो फ्लो एक्चुअली सी द बुफे क्या होता है. बुफे सेटअप में फ्लो किस साइड आप करना चाहते हैं, राइट. कहाँ से आप बुफे स्टार्ट करेंगे, प्लेट काउंटर कहाँ पे होगा, राइट. 7 डिश मेन आइटम मेन कोर्स कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा, ये इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. सो फ्लो फॉर अ सिंगल साइडेड बुफे, यू कैन सी फ्लो इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम पर्सन. जैसे कि आप आए, आपने प्लेट लिया, नैपकिन्स लिया, फोक लिया and start your food. So this is the flow from the food. Okay, after the theme is set, if you have more than 75 people, you should have 2 service lines. Yes, 75 and above 100, you should have a 2 service line. The use of side station or grouping of similar menu item is different area is also considered. Okay. Next important point is 2 flow lines. Okay, what is 2 flow lines? 2 flow क्या lines क्या होती हैं? जहाँ पे सपोज आपने क्या किया कि 2 बुफे हमने सेटअप किया है, 2 बुफे लेआउट प्लान करे हैं एंड देयर इज 2 साइडेड. इन सेंटर हमने क्या किया, सेंटर में हमने प्लेट काउंटर कर दिया एंड सैलेड काउंटर कर दिया. तो क्या होगा कि इफ़ हमने प्लेट उठाया एक सेंटर से और उसके लेफ्ट साइड स्टार्ट कर दिया हमने लेना, अनदर पर्सन टेक द फूड एंड ही स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड. सो वी प्रिपेयर 2 नंबर्स ऑफ बुफेज इनडायरेक्टली. क्लियर? इसको बोलते हैं 2 फ्लो लाइन्स. Arranging food on buffet, consider these items like flow, spacing, reach, accompaniments, centerpiece, decoration and labels. So ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रखती हैं जब आप किसी भी टाइप का लेआउट डिज़ाइन करते हैं बुफे का. उसमें फ्लो किस साइड से आपने किया है, किस साइड से गेस्ट खाना स्टार्ट करेंगे लेना, राइट. स्पेस क्या दिया है आपने, नंबर ऑफ 7 डिश के बीच में क्या गेस्ट की पहुंच है वहाँ तक कि नहीं, फूड इजीली गेस्ट ले सकता है कि नहीं. रीच, दैट इज द रीच एंड अकम्पनीमेंट्स. यस, आपने जो फूड प्लेस किया है बुफे में, यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग प्रॉपर अकम्पनीमेंट्स टू द डिश और नॉट. So accompaniment should be there of each and every dishes. Centerpiece, yes, centerpiece I already discussed in previous video. Centerpiece is very very important for the attraction of the buffet, because it's create a great ambience of the buffet, right? Decoration, yes, very good. Labels, yes, labels, it means you are setting up different kind of dishes on a different label, on a different spacing, right? Next is arranging food on the serving piece. See, the most hot food will be present in siphon dishes, while room temperature food are placed on platters, bowl, mirror or a trays. Yes. See, आज you know that क्या होता है कि हमने क्या किया, हॉट फूड हमारे पास है, हॉट फूड हमने सेवन डिश में अरेंज कर दिया है. And for the cold food we place in a refrigerator, like a 0 to 5 temperature, degree Celsius temperature. किस में प्लेस करेंगे? Different kind of platters में, bowls में, and mirror. There are different kind of props is coming, mirror props or trays. Okay, you have to consider the food on tray, platters and bowls for height, pattern, color, texture and shape and negative space. तो ये सारी चीज़ों को आपको ध्यान में रखना है जब आप मेन्यू डिज़ाइनिंग मेनू प्लेस करते हैं बुफे काउंटर पे, राइट? फूड प्लेस करते हैं बुफे काउंटर पे. प्रेजेंटिंग एंड मेंटेनिंग द बुफे. ओके, ये देख लेते हैं क्या है सर. प्रेजेंटिंग एंड मेंटेनिंग द बुफे. सी, a common production is overproduction. As a simple rule, one pound of food per person is far from foolproof, but it is starting point. Entree item 6 ounce, starch 4 ounce, vegetables 4 ounce, accompaniments 1 to 2 ounce, and dessert 2 inches, depending on the kind of the dessert. So this is the presentation and maintenance of the buffet. किस लेवल पर आप कौन सी डिश प्लेस करेंगे. ठीक है सर. ओके, presentation of hot foods. Presenting hot food on a buffet is challenging. Consider safety, sanitation, presentation concern. Serve food that hold temperature well. So क्या होता है सर, इन होटल इंडस्ट्री दिस इज़ बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस होती है टेम्परेचर की, कि किस टेम्परेचर पे आप कौन सा फूड सर्व करते हैं, राइट? बिकॉज इट्स प्ले अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल in the buffet, right? That's why in the hotel industry they are using measures how to measure the temperature of the food, right? And different kind of food inspector, food officers there in the hotel industry, so that they can check the food temperature day by day basis. And nowadays hotels or restaurants taking the record of food in which is being served on the daily basis on each and every meal, right? Suppose ब्रेकफास्ट आपने अरेंज किया, तो जो ब्रेकफास्ट में आपने टेम्परेचर मेंटेन किया है हॉट एंड कोल्ड फूड का, यू हैव टू शो टू द योर फूड ऑफिसर्स, राइट? सिमिलरली फॉर द लंच एंड फॉर द डिनर एज वेल. Cook and serve small batches of food. Presenting hot food, considered sauce in pan help keep the food moist and hot. क्या होता है, if your buffet is continuously going for 3 hours, for 4 hours, see, let me tell you clearly, if you are holding food on buffet station, so there is only 4-hour life cycle of the food. 4 hours के बाद you cannot hold the food on 7 days, right? So maximum timing is 4 hours. What happens, क्या होता है, जब continuously food 7 days में कुक होता रहता है, रीहीट होता रहता है, तो क्या होता है कि जो फूड की सॉस होती है दैट इज़ बिकम वेरी थिक, राइट? थिक हो जाता है, तो आपका फूड क्या होगा, ड्राइनेस स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, ड्राई होता चला जाता है. सो इन सब चीज़ बचने के लिए वी कैन नॉट स्पॉइल द क्वालिटी ऑफ द फूड, राइट? सो 4 आवर्स से ज़्यादा हम बुफे स्टेबल नहीं कर सकते. Keep the serving dish closed when not serving. Yes, अपना सर्विंग डिश आप क्लोज रखेंगे जब आप सपोज आप खाना नहीं, कोई नोबडी देयर इन अ बुफे एरिया, राइट. Was the use of help lamp? Yes, there is always a fear of someone getting burnt. So आपको क्या करना है, देयर इज हीट लैम्प्स लगे होते हैं फूड को हीट करने के लिए, तो आपको ये भी चेक करते रहना है ड्यूरिंग द बुफे ऑपरेशन कि कोई जलने की आशंका तो नहीं आ रही कहीं किसी चीज़ से, राइट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज प्रेजेंटिंग कोल्ड फूड. We need the temperature. So first of all we have to check the temperature. Wash temperature, replenish ice often, service platter have to be exchanged often to keep the food appealing. Remember to avoid mixture temperature sensitive food with potential hazard food. The wait staff has to be vigilant to remove soil. Dishes are replenished, table items, water, tea, silverware, right. Next is the buffet breakdown. Okay, buffet breakdown क्या होता है सर? Okay, buffet breakdown actually removing of the buffet, right. इसका इंग्लिश वर्जन दिया गया है बुफे ब्रेकडाउन. बुफे ब्रेकडाउन क्या होता है? रिमूविंग ऑफ द बुफे. So staff should never break down food station and buffet until specifically directed by supervisor. This is a sensitive area and staff should not be permitted to make this decision. When most guests have eaten, some duplicate food station must be quietly break down with food consolidated to those that remain open. When there is only one station or a buffet, it is very evident that everyone has eaten and then checked with the client before breaking dessert counter. Breaking down the dessert and coffee station are normally kept open until the end of the event. After extinguishing all serving dish fuel, the food pan should be removed first from the serving dish and carried to the kitchen. Along with other food from the buffet, extreme caution must be used when carrying serving dish containing hot water, so not to replace hot water on guests as staff, right. So what happens in buffet breakdowns? क्या होता है? If we are working in a buffet station in a buffet restaurant, so there would be some hierarchical manpower requirement, right. So the person who is leading the area, the person who is leading the restaurant, he would be responsible for the closing of the buffet. The waiting staff cannot cannot close the buffet. So buffet breakdown is removing of the buffet. क्या होता है? If कोई भी banquet function party organize किया है and suppose you are organizing for the 100 guests, 200 guests and 300 guests, right. So once the party is about to over, you can say, right. So what we have to do? We have to ask to the guests, right. 3 hours is about to go and all guests is already have the food. तो इस केस में क्या होता है? गेस्ट, मेन गेस्ट जो होता है उससे कन्वे करते हैं कि सर आई होप योर ऑल गेस्ट हैव ऑलरेडी ईटन, सो दिस इज द राइट टाइम टू क्लोज द बुफे, सो आई एम गोइंग टू क्लोज द बुफे नाउ. If any guest, please let me know. So there is a possibility so that you can hold for 5 minutes or 10 minutes more. Then जैसे ही आपको परमिशन मैनेजर से मिल जाती है, फिर मैनेजर आपको बोलेगा, then you can start break down the buffet. But coffee and dessert station you can remove at the end of the event. Clear हो गया सर? I hope it is no confusion any. Right. Okay. Another important point ये है कि once you break down the buffet, what is the first things you have to do? जी, first things आपको पहले क्या करना है? सबसे पहले you have to cut down the electricity. You have to cut down the electricity at the buffet. और अगर आप manual fuel यूज कर रहे हैं, जेल fuel यूज कर रहे हैं, तो क्या करेंगे? फ्यूल को क्लोज कर देंगे, राइट। फर्स्ट स्टेप यू हैव टू डू दिस वन। इसके बाद क्या करना होगा आपको, यू हैव टू ओपन द ऑल लिड ऑफ दिस अपेंडिक्स। अपेंडिक्स के ढक्कन से खोल देना है ताकि एक्सेस स्टीम जो अपेंडिक्स में बनी है वो निकल जाए, राइट। क्योंकि जब आप कैरी करेंगे अपेंडिक्स को ठंडा होना चाहिए, एनफ कोल्ड होना चाहिए, तभी आप अपेंडिक्स को कैरी कर सकते हैं, राइट। सो इन सारी चीज़ों को यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड फॉर दी while the buffet operation is going on। तब आपके हजार्ड्स होने के और एक्सीडेंट होने के चांसेस कम हो जाते हैं, ठीक है जी। ओके, सो योर सेकेंड यूनिट इज अबाउट टू कंप्लीट। ऑलराइट, थैंक यू।